Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best dog food for Boston Terriers, that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Nulo Adult Grain-Free Dog Food. The Nulo Freestyle Dry Dog Food is a perfectly balanced formula specifically designed to promote healthy weight and robust energy reserves. This chicken-free grain-free formula is particularly suitable for dogs with food sensitivities. It is well known that chicken as well as most grains, corn, wheat, soy, are potent allergens. Particularly low in carbohydrates, the Nulo Freestyle Dog Food promotes a lean body mass. Containing a patented BC30 probiotic, this diet supports healthy digestion. Additionally, this formula includes a carefully balanced amount of omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids which nourish the dog's skin, thus ensuring shiny and beautiful coats. Last but not least, this formula does not contain harmful additives such as artificial preservatives, colors, and flavorings. The Nulo Freestyle Adult Grain-Free Dog Food is both formulated and produced in the USA. It is available in 3 differently sized bags of 4.5 pounds, 11 pounds, and 24 pounds. More often than not, Boston Terriers suffer from food allergies and sensitivities. This breed significantly benefits from the Nulo Freestyle Dog Food since its formula lacks the most common allergy-triggering chicken and grains. Plus, Boston Terriers are prone to obesity and this formula's balanced protein to carbohydrates ratio promotes healthy body weight. Moving on at number 4, we have the Purina One SmartBlend True Instinct Natural. With real salmon as ingredient number 1 and real tuna, this highly palatable blend satisfies the dog's natural drive for meat-packed nutrition. With as much as 30% protein content, the Purina One Real Salmon and Tuna promotes strong and healthy bones and muscles. Therefore, it is the perfect choice for dogs with active lifestyles. Additionally, the blend contains added vitamins, omega-3 fatty acids, and several different antioxidant sources which promote a healthy immune system. The Purina One Real Salmon and Tuna, as the name suggests itself, is a chicken-free formula. It is also free from poultry byproduct meals. Therefore, this recipe is particularly suitable for dogs allergic or sensitive to poultry. Last but not least, the formula contains 0% unnecessary and potentially harmful fillers. The Purina One Real Salmon and Tuna comes on the market in 4 differently sized bags: 7.4 pounds, 15 pounds, 27.5 pounds, and 36 pounds. Regardless of the size, all bags are budget-friendly. Boston Terriers are active and playful dogs with go-all-day stamina. The Purina One Real Salmon and Tuna, because of its high protein content, is perfect for supporting such active lifestyles. When compared to other similar products, this food is much cheaper and often referred as budget-friendly. At number 3, we have the Hills Science Diet Dry Dog Food for weight management. The Hills Science Diet with chicken meal and barley is recommended by veterinarians worldwide. With 18% fewer calories, it is the ideal choice for dogs with weight management issues. The formula contains high-quality proteins and a plethora of natural fiber which make dogs feel satiated even if consuming smaller portions. The healthy body weight is additionally supported by the presence of L-carnitine. The Hills Science Diet with chicken meal and barley is made in the USA and contains only natural ingredients. The kibbles are relatively small and suitable for brachycephalic dogs. This food is available in 3 differently sized bags: 5 pounds, 15 pounds and 30 pounds. The Hills Science Diet with chicken meal and barley is made of all natural and great-tasting ingredients. Although small in size, Boston Terriers have big appetites. Therefore, this formula is perfect if your goal is to prevent undesired weight gain. At number 2, we have the Rachael Ray Nutrish Peak Natural Dry Dog Food. The Rachael Ray Nutrish Peak natural and grain-free dog food is made of turkey, duck and quail meat. The turkey, duck and quail are all easily digestible proteins that help build and maintain strong and lean muscle mass. Containing as much as 30% high-quality protein, this nutrient-dense recipe completely satisfies every dog's instinctual cravings. The Rachael Ray Nutrish Peak natural and grain-free dog food contains no poultry byproduct meal. It is also free from artificial colors, added flavor and harmful preservatives. What is more, the formula has no grains, glutens and fillers. This budget-friendly recipe is available in 4lb, 12lb and 23lb bags. The Rachael Ray Nutrish Peak natural and grain-free dog food is the ideal choice for Boston Terriers because most members of this breed have stomachs sensitive to grains and gluten. And finally at number 1, we have the NUTRISCA grain-free chicken and chickpea recipe. The NUTRISCA grain-free chicken and chickpea recipe from DOGSWELL contains real chicken as its ingredient number 1. This high-quality protein source supports the dog's overall health and well-being. The recipe also contains chickpeas and peas which are rich in healthy fiber that promote easy digestion. The added fruits and vegetables provide omega fatty acids and antioxidants which promote healthy immune systems. On the other hand, this NUTRISCA recipe does not contain allergy-triggering grains such as potatoes, corn, wheat and soy. It is also free from artificial colors, flavors and preservatives. This dog food is available in bags of 4 pounds, 15 pounds and 28 pounds. DOGSWELL's NUTRISCA grain-free chicken and chickpea recipe is perfect for active Boston Terriers with food sensitivities. Crafted with simple but real food ingredients, this recipe, as the manufacturer states, contains everything you want and nothing you don't. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.